Around this time last year, I did a video of Nigerian celebrities and their lookalike daughters, and you guys were like, we need a part 2. So today, I'll be presenting you with the part 2 of Nigerian celebrities and their lookalike daughters. But before then, if you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right to the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side. Never leave you lonely.
Genevieve Nnaji. You know, when I did the part 1 of this list, a lot of you were asking about Genevieve Nnaji and her daughter. But I couldn't bring them up because there were information conflict between Genevieve Nnaji's younger sister and her daughter. The media were presenting Genevieve Nnaji's younger sister to be her daughter. But now, I have dug out the real pictures of Genevieve Nnaji and her daughter. And from the few I could get, they both look so much alike. From this picture, you could see Genevieve Nnaji and her daughter. They were both wearing white hair tie. While the lady with no hair tie is Genevieve Nnaji's younger sister, whom the media severally reported to be her daughter. Genevieve Nnaji and her daughter are carbon copy of each other, and one might mistake them as twin sisters. Actually, Genevieve Nnaji gave birth to her daughter when she was 17 years old. The full name of the actress' daughter is Theodora Chimebuka Nnaji. The actress protected Chimebuka from the media for a long time. That is why new photos of Genevieve Nnaji and her daughter raised such a stir. Actually, not much is known about Chimebuka Nnaji, but I have found most interesting facts about her. In the university, Chimebuka studied mass communication, but she managed to open her makeup studio when she was a student. Now, Chimebuka Nnaji is the owner of makeup studio located in Yaba, Lagos. Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie is a popular Nigerian actor. The resemblance between Yul Edochie and his first daughter cannot be overlooked, even though they are of different gender. They have the same eyes, nose, even the shape of their head is the same. Apart from their facial look, they also have the same skin tone. The Nollywood actor Yul Edochie has gushed about his first daughter on social media. The name of his daughter is Denelle. The talented actor shared his daughter's pictures on his Instagram post and celebrated her. In his post, the actor revealed that whenever he looks into the eyes of his 14-year-old daughter, she brings back so many memories to him. He revealed that the most prominent memory is that he was broke at the time his first daughter was born. That's 14 years ago. 2Baba. 2Baba is a Nigerian singer who is popularly known for having several kids from different baby mamas. Actually, 2Baba has 7 children. Among his 7 children is his first daughter Ehi, who looks exactly like 2Baba. Although his other daughters look slightly like him, but Ehi is the carbon copy of 2Baba. They have the same jaw, nose, eyes, and even the same smile. Ehi's mother is Pero Adeniyi. Pero's romantic relationship with 2Baba spanned for 7 years, with their first child, Ehi, coming in 2006. Ehi, the singer's first daughter, opened a new chapter between Pero and 2Baba. Between 2006 and 2012, 2Baba's brilliant career is followed by stories of his numerous relationships. In 2012, Pero gave birth to their second child, Innocent, who is named after 2Baba, amid several rumors and allegations of 2Baba reuniting with his old flame Annie. A year after, despite reports that 2Baba has rekindled his affair with Annie and ready to go down the aisle with her, Pero welcomed her third child with 2Baba in 2013. Patience Ozokwo. For the record, Nigerian actress Patience Ozokwo has 4 biological children. Among the 4 children is her only daughter and the ada of the family. Her name is Chioma. But one thing her fans have not noticed is the resemblance between Patience Ozokwo and her only daughter Chioma. As a matter of fact, Chioma is the younger version of Patience Ozokwo. Just look at their eyes, their nose, and even the shape of their mouth. And they have the same skin tone. On Instagram, Patience Ozokwo revealed that her only daughter almost died when she was 10 years old. While celebrating her daughter's birthday in a post on Instagram, the Nollywood actress Patience Ozokwo expressed gratitude to God for keeping Chioma alive as she almost died when she was 10 years old. Davido. Davido is a Nigerian singer. He has 3 children from different women. Among his 3 children, his second child, Hailey Adeleke, looks so much like the singer. Though his first child, Imade Adeleke, looks slightly like Davido, but Hailey looks so much like Davido. They have the same smile, nose, and even forehead. Let's not forget, they both have dimples. Nothing specific was known about the mother of Hailey, but the media found out that her name is Amanda and she resides in Atlanta, the city of USA, where Davido was born. The news of Davido having a second child was quite unexpected because at the time, he was not dating anyone, at least no one that the public knew of. Amanda gave birth to the beautiful little girl, Hailey, and Davido was incredibly happy to welcome the baby to the world. So he named her Hailey Veronica Adeleke. He decided to give her a middle name after his late mother, Chacheke. It is said that when couples live together for a long time, they tend to look alike. This is the case of Chacheke and her husband. Chacheke is married to Austin Fani and the marriage is blessed with 3 children. But one thing you don't know is that Chacheke and her daughters look alike. Her daughters' names are Kamara and Keira Fani. Uche Obodo. Uche's daughter, Mildred, has grown fast and already becoming a big girl. And in the nearest future, she will be planning on giving her hand out in marriage. But one thing the fans don't really notice that much is the resemblance between Uche Obodo and the daughter. They have the same shape of mouth, nose, forehead, and many more. Uche, who welcomed her baby girl Mildred 5 years ago, revealed that though her baby daddy, Otto Apo, has not been involved in the life of their daughter, and she has since moved on. Uche got married to Otto Apo in October 2013. Flavour. Flavour Nnabata is a Nigerian singer, songwriter, and multi-instrumentalist. The singer has 3 kids, 2 daughters and a son from 2 beauty queens, Nnabata and Sandra Okabue. With Sandra Okabue, he has a daughter and a son, while Nnabata gave birth to the other daughter. His daughter with Sandra Okabue looks like him a lot, though she slightly looks like her mother Sandra Okabue, but she looks more like Flavour Nnabata. Flavour and her daughter with Sandra Okabue have the same nose, forehead, and shape of mouth, while her mother Sandra Okabue has pointed nose and small mouth. The daughter he has with Nnabata looks so much like the mother Nnabata. Thank you so much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these Nigerian celebrities looks so much like, extremely so much of their daughter? Drop your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Lay down and go to sleep right now.
Inside life, eh? Inside life. Kilo Kami. Biggie money. Get tipsy.
Wait. Whose birthday is it?
Mine.
Hmm?
No, not yours.
Whose birthday is it? Is yours?
Yeah.
Is your birthday? How old are you today? 3.
Is daddy fresh? Is your daddy fresh?
Yeah.
Is it pretty? Huh?
And David, this one is just 16,000.
You good? I have to my face. I got you.
Ice bar. Zanku. Haley.
Lift yourself up. Lift yourself up.
Zanku.
Hold it first. Hold it. Hold it.
Zanku.
No, like this. Hold it, then lift yourself up.
Yeah. Okay.
Lift yourself up. So you do.
More blessings for you and you. And before we come, make a wish. Yeah.
blow your candles out and you cut the cake, then we'll continue with the toast. So, Super 13, do your thing.
Make your wish and blow out your candle. I know what your wish, don't worry.
I know you.
Okay, so blow. Happy birthday! Careful.
Oh, you come back. This one will come back.
It's a boy at Jimozi. It's a boy at Jimozi. The boy at Jimozi. It's a boy at Jimozi.